In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your search engine from Yahoo to Google. As you can see, our interface displays Yahoo as search engine, and whenever we search the web, we are searching through Yahoo. If you want to change your Google Chrome search engine from Yahoo, simply go to these three dots here and click on them and scroll down to settings. From settings here, go to search engine. Click on it. And from here, you can see the default search engine is Yahoo. To change it, simply click on change and select your preferred search engine that you'll wish to use. For my case, I want to change it to Google. So I'll click on Google and then check this set as default. And that's it. Now, if I open a new tab, it has now changed to Google. So that's how you change your default search engine from Yahoo to Google. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.